kids, good afternoon. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to our GK class. Today I am going to teach you about some birds. Birds. Do you know what is a bird? A bird has two wings, two legs, beaks and tails. Children, we see different kinds of birds flies around our house. So today we are going to learn about some birds from that. Birds fly high using their wings. Birds have feathers on their body. They live on a tree or nest. Birds eat fruits, insects, seeds, grass, etc. Now let's see about some birds in detail. This is a parrot. PARROT, parrot. Parrot is green in color. Parrot is green in color and one of the beautiful bird. It has curved red color beak. It has curved red color beak. Parrot loves to eat seed and fruits. Parrot loves to eat seed and fruits. Parrot can imitate the human sounds. Do you know, children? Parrots can imitate whatever we speak, and parrot is the pet. Parrot is a pet animal. This is a pigeon. This is a pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Pigeon is grey in color. Pigeon is grey in color. It has small feet and a beak. It has small feet and a beak. We can see pigeons in our surroundings daily. We can see pigeons in our surroundings daily. This is a vulture. This is a vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E. Vulture. Vulture is a large bird. Vulture is a large bird. Vulture lives in mountain. Vulture lives in a mountains. Vulture have a brownish black colored body. Vulture have a brownish black color body with a featherless neck and head. With a featherless head and neck. It has wide and strong wings. Listen here, children. It has wide and strong wings. Vultures eat everything like dead and wounded animals, garbage, fish, eggs, etc. Vulture can fly very high. It has wide and strong wings. This is a duck. This is a duck. D-U-C-K, duck. A duck lives in a water. A duck lives in a water. Duck likes to eat fish and frogs. Duck likes to eat fish and frogs. Duck loves to swim in water. Duck loves to swim in the water. This is a sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird. Sparrow is a small bird, but they are very active in nature. Sparrow eats small food grains with their tiny beak. Sparrow eats small food grains with their tiny beak. They make the sound of chirping. Sparrow chirps. I already told no, sparrow chirps. Sparrow is also called as a singing bird. This is an owl. This is an owl. O-W-L, owl. Owl is the night bird. Owl is the night bird. An owl comes out of its nest only in the night. Do you know, children? An owl comes out of its nest only in the night. It eats rats and other small creatures. Owls have large eyes. Owls have large eyes. It can see only in the night. Owls can see only in the night. This is a crow. This is a crow. Crow is black in color. Crow is black in color. Crow is known as a clever bird. Crow is known as a clever bird. We can see crows everywhere in our surroundings daily. We can see crow everywhere in our surrounding daily. A crow caws. I told you in sounds of animal, a crow caws. This is a penguin. This is a penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. Penguin, like all the birds, penguins also have beaks and feathers and legs. Like all the birds, even penguins have beaks, feathers and legs. But penguins cannot fly. Look at here, children, how it's walking. So penguins cannot fly. Penguins are black and white in color. See the color of penguin? Penguins are black and white in color. Penguins are excellent swimmers. They spend most of the time in water. Penguins will be in Antarctica, which is ice frozen continent. Penguins will stay in ice frozen continent. This is a cock. C-O-C-K. Cock. Cock makes sound in the morning like an alarm. Cock makes sound in the morning like an alarm. Cock also we can see in our surroundings daily. This is a peacock. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Do you know, children? Peacock is our national bird. Peacock has huge colorful feathers like fan. Look at here. Peacock has huge colorful feathers. See how it is? It looks like a fan, no? Peacock has huge colorful feathers like a fan. Peacock has a long neck. Peacock loves to dance in the rain. It looks so beautiful with colorful feathers. It looks so beautiful, no? With colorful feathers. This is a crane. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. Crane loves to eat fish and frog. The crane is a large and long-beaked bird. The crane is a beautiful and tallest flying bird. Crane legs are very long. See the legs? Crane legs are very long. Children, please take out your Play and Learn book and open page number 5. Open page number 5. Lesson number 3. Birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. Parrot, pigeon, vulture, duck, sparrow, owl, crow, penguin, cock, peacock, crane. Now let's learn questions and answers. First question. Which bird cannot fly? Penguin cannot fly. Second question. What is the color of the parrot? The color of parrot is green. Third question. Which bird lives in water? Duck lives in water. Fourth question. Which is our national bird? Peacock is our national bird. I repeat once again, children. First question. Which bird cannot fly? Penguin cannot fly. Second question. What is the color of the parrot? The color of parrot is green. Third question. Which bird lives in water? Duck lives in Water. Fourth question. Which is our national bird? Peacock is our national bird. Peacock is our national bird. Thank you.